I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened.
Welcome back. Today we're gonna talk about first one about Korean food. And for example, if you like Korean food and want to learn Korean, it's important to learn words such as gimbap, tteokbokki, ramen, etc. like that, right? If you are looking for a Korean boy or girlfriend, you can start with short words and sentences such as it's cool, pretty, I won't meet you again, what are you doing tomorrow, such as like that. Of course, you can use a translator, but it's better to learn one by one and learn in your own way. Okay, first of all, how can you say in Korean, it's cool? 우와, 좋아요. How about pretty? 예뻐요. I want to meet you again. 또 만나고 싶은데요. What are you doing tomorrow? 내일 뭐 할 거야? It's too difficult? There are many difficulties in Korean, but the most difficult thing for foreigner is that the sentences used for adult and children are different. And the future and past tenses are very tricky. But don't worry, it's okay. If you don't have a perfect accent, all Koreans will understand and help you. What you have to do is open your mind, okay? Have you ever heard of 정 in Korean? This short of means like to be warm-hearted. The famous Korean chocolate cake has the word 정 written on the wrapper. And you will certainly meet a warm-hearted Korean anywhere. So don't worry, just speak to anything to Korean. Of course, if somebody overly kind or asks you to go somewhere, you should never follow. There are bad people in any country. Now then, what words are you going to study first? Korea, 한국, 김치, 김치, 불고기, it's pretty, 예쁘니? It's all good because it's important to get started. Thank you and have a nice day. Please subscribe and click like. Bye.